Let's get to those ideas. The first one is BYD, the Chinese conglomerate. What are they all about? Remind us.
You don't hear that much about them, right? But this is an $850 billion market cap company.
Wow.
It's huge. They're involved in a variety of markets, all the way from automobiles to electronic to renewable energy, batteries, and so on. You may remember BYD. This is the company that Warren Buffett bought 10%. He actually, but then, I don't know, it was about 4 or 5 months ago, there was a lot of news wires that he was actually selling part of it, but he actually got up to about 14.5%, and he just brought it back. He just took some profit off the table, brought it back to 10%. So anyway, it's one of the largest new energy vehicles, NEV, and power battery makers globally. It owns 32% of the new energy vehicle market in China, 26% of the power battery market in China. But then it's connected up with a lot of the OEMs, the automobile manufacturers, the Volkswagens, Toyotas, Hyundai, Ford, around the world, supplying them not only new energy vehicles, but also the battery components on it. So this is going to be a company that you're going to hear a lot about. We own it, currently trading at a... Now, one of the problems on this is that it's an ADR. And I know some of the platforms here in Canada don't allow you to actually buy into the ADR. Some do, but you can actually get it in our fund. Currently trading around $59, has a 12-month price target of 76.
Okay, we better keep moving here.
Yeah.
Alibaba, you like the look of them currently?
Yeah, a bit of a theme here in China. And we were just talking about it during the break. A lot of investment houses here, overseas, are actually claiming that the Chinese market is going to outperform that of the North American, possibly the European. And that's all around the whole reopening. But it's not just the reopening, it's actually the government is a lot more friendlier to, and every day that passes, there's new news that comes out about how the government is becoming more friendly with the technology arena over there. So Alibaba, it has 4 segments: commerce, cloud computing, entertainment, and then sort of an innovation side. Currently trading at 117. It's, bounced off that low of about $63 only about 2.5 months ago. And we have a 12-month price target of 146. But as soon as it gets to 146, things are going to start rolling, and they're going to raise those targets going forward.
And your final idea, Taiwan Semiconductor.
Yeah. Now, the only risk here, of course, is Taiwan. However, Taiwan Semi is the undisputed market leader when it comes to semiconductor foundries. So they don't design chips, they manufacture. They're very agnostic, so all the big companies, NVIDIA and AMD, and they all go to TSMC. Apple, they all go to TSMC to actually manufacture. They have the biggest foundries in the world, the most capacity, and the most cutting edge. So they're actually going to be coming out with their 2 nanometer, but they're in full production on their 3 nanometer, currently trading at $87. We have a 12-month price target of 104.